Hi guys, welcome back on TechAid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete comment history on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see this type of interface. You can see your videos here because you cannot see my videos because I cannot posted any video in TikTok account. I can tell you that TikTok doesn't provide any feature to delete all comments at a time. So you can just simply go to the video individually, and after going to the video individually, you can just simply tap on the comments icon, and here you can delete comments one by one by tapping on it. And after tapping on it, you can see the option delete, and it is a way you can delete comment history on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.